been through it all, it's nothing. Stories of her parents, it's nothing. She been through it all and something, still keeping her worried. But baby's like nothing else. My baby's like nothing else. Oh, my baby's life means something more. Am I doing right? Can I do more? 'Cause I've been in the woods, I've been hunting. I've been on the road, felt haunted. I'm tired enough to bleed through, yeah. It's tight enough to bleed through sometimes. Feel tight enough to see through whenever I could see through your lies and your looks, your